Hi guys, today I received this really nice USB C to Gigabit Ethernet adapter, and I think it's really nice because you just plug it into your Type-C port, and now you can connect the Ethernet cable upon your PC or any device that you want, and you can have a stable internet connection. Okay, as you can see, this is the adapter. You have the LEDs in here that shows that it's working. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, as you can see right now in my laptop, I'm with the Wi-Fi, and I'm gonna connect it right here into my Type-C port and take my Ethernet cable and connect it. Okay, as you can see, the LEDs indicators starts flashing, which means that it's working. Okay, and in this part we can see the icon that means that it's through the cable connection, which I think it's really nice. Okay, right here we can see that it's the cable connection. It also comes with a little user instruction manual, which I think it's nice, but overall I like it a lot because it's just plug and play. You just connect it into your device and then you can place the Ethernet cable, and it works really nice. It's really slim, so you don't have to worry about anything, and having the flexibility to have the cable, you can move it around like this. As you can see, you can use anything. You can see some movies if you want. It loads everything really fast, and overall I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.